Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. I hope you're having an amazing, wonderfully blessed day. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to lose a trade today after being in a profit. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So in this Bitcoin setup, I entered half of the position. So I was going to risk 200 initially, but I thought I'm going to risk half now and then possibly half later. But pretty much 786 setup I was talking about. Maybe I hesitated a little bit, but maybe I should have risked the full 200, seeing as this was a pre-planned 786 setup, you know. But that's okay. I'm in the trade. That's what matters. Yeah, pretty much 786, as I mentioned before in a previous video, that I wanted to see price action come below the 786, which is this line here, the second green line in the middle. Price came below after a while, well, precisely 3 minutes to start trading back above, of which I entered my first position, $100 worth. And yeah, that's really it. So see how far this can run. Got 3 hours set alert, because Bitcoin can move fast. 3 hour hit, and we'll see what happens from here. 0.7 could act as some sort of a resistance. Maybe price can, I don't know. Let me see if I can. I'll think about adding another position depending on what price action does. But for now, we're chilling. See what happens. Just entered my second position. As you can see, there's 2 buys here. This is about half the volume of this because it's further, but the stop loss is at the same place. But it might have been a bit too prematurely. However, I kind of sense, I could sense there was about to be a breakout, but it's still way too early to tell. We could easily just swing these highs and just get rejected, but only risking 200 in total. I can even minimize my risk. Put it to the low, but how much would that even save me? Yeah, we'll just have to see what price does. I cannot touch the trade. Just have to let it play and just hope we can break out of this 0.7 that's keeping us down. But Fibonacci levels can tend to act as a support and resistance when you're trading in between. But yeah, fuck it. Is what it is. Price can either take real long and just kind of doss around here, as long as it doesn't take out my stop loss. Whatever kind of happens here, I'll be safe. Or we could just pop out now, start pushing up. Claim that high looks good to me. We'll see what happens. After a while, price has decided they wanted to, could still be a bit early, but breakout. Yeah, just a little update to see where we are right now. Prop firm account up 142. See if we can get this push higher, baby. What are those highs? We'll see what price does. Oh no, I might have to put stop losses to break even. Well, at least minimum risk a bit. There. So overnight, price actually managed to get up to the 0.7, getting rejected. So hopefully price can hold and come up higher to potentially the 786, which is where I've set my TPs. So unfortunately, I have been stopped out of this trade. Price actually came as high as the 0.7, which I probably should have targeted, seeing as that was a sharp move down, and a sharp move down into a 786. Yes, you'll get the reaction as we did. However, it won't be the move, or the probability is that this move up will not be a giant move up. As you can see, the trend is to the downside. The waves to the upside are very choppy, whereas the waves to the downside are very sharp. And so this final sharp wave with some choppiness to the upside. Choppy. Unfortunate reality, but I'm down today 250, which is a percent, which is okay. I'm still in profit on that count. So for now, I need to just stay on top of it. Trend is to the downside. Also, one thing is the world, one of my mentors says that the probabilities were higher to claim this low and this low. So seeing as this low is the closest, that low and that low is the closest. So that should act as a magnet for price to maybe do that before going higher to claim the high. So I should have, yeah. Trend is to the downside, as I say, sharp moves to the downside, very corrective up, and then more recent, sharp. But it looks like, does it look like it's running out of momentum? I don't know. Anyway, until the next A+ setup, I'm done. One more thing is that I held this trade overnight. You can see here on the chart that I entered here. I actually entered on this candle at 5:30, which is already kind of outside of my kill zone, but the trade played out somewhat. I should have taken profit before I went to bed, especially running into the equilibrium of this move down in this zone. And then price overnight done basically nothing. But when I woke up, we started to break down. Price looked weak. I should have got out then. Started to break down more. Should have got out then. But stop loss is that's what the stop loss is there for. You're meant to keep it there until trade is proven otherwise. Thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully you learned something, because I know I did. Stay tuned for the next one, and peace and love. Goodbye.